We arrived super early in the morning into Taipei and headed straight to the Grand Hyatt, hoping we would be able to check in early. The Grand Hyatt is centrally located in Taipei and about a 45-minute cab ride from the TPE airport without traffic. When you first walk into the lobby, there's a grand water fountain and a chandelier, and the check-in counter is tucked into the left corner. So we're here super early, and they didn't have our room available since we're waiting on a suite to be available, but they did have my sister's room available. So what we're gonna do is just gonna leave our stuff in her room for now, and then go to an ATM, go grab some snacks, and then grab some breakfast. It's still pretty early here. I think it's like 7 a.m. right now, so that's the plan. We all piled into my sister's room to freshen up, and her room was a standard king room facing Taipei 101. According to the Hyatt website, it's a cozy 355 square feet. When they say cozy, that means it's a small room, and it did feel small. But I think it's kind of expected when it comes to hotel rooms in Asia. They did make room for a couch and a dining table, and this is the bathroom. After venturing out around Taipei for a little bit and coming back around noon, our room was ready, and this is what it looked like. We got upgraded to a Grand Suite King, which is their standard suite because I used a Hyatt Suite Upgrade Award. It was a total of 645 square feet, had a separate living room, a decent sized walk-in closet, bathroom, and a stand shower, Ballman bath products, a soak-in tub, and there was an additional powder room near the front door. Overall, a good sized suite, nicely decorated, but it does feel like it's starting to age and feel a little dated. Breakfast and the Grand Club Lounge. As a part of my globalist benefit, we received complimentary breakfast during our stay. The breakfast was served at the cafe restaurant downstairs located in the lobby. The breakfast spread was impressive, featuring multiple food stations. There were several live hot food stations where you can order your eggs, a hot noodle soup station, as well as options for both Western and Asian cuisine. One of my favorites was a station where you can make your own savory or sweet soy milk. If you had to pay for breakfast, it would cost $28 per person. While the price may not be bad for a breakfast buffet in the US, it's a little expensive considering we're in Taiwan, where food cost is generally lower. However, if you're looking for a breakfast buffet with a wide variety of options, it still might be worth it. Additionally, the Grand Club Lounge located on the 22nd floor of the building also serves breakfast. However, the options there are more basic, the hot egg food station and the usual bacon, sausage, and pastries. Throughout the day, the Club Lounge offers coffee, along with a few light pastries and snacks for guests with access. In the evening, there's also happy hour, although we didn't have a chance to experience it during our stay. To get Club Lounge access, you either need to pay for Club Lounge access, have globalist status, or you can use a Club Lounge award that you can earn through Hyatt Milestone Rewards. As for the gym is interesting. It's divided into different rooms, all interconnected by one hallway. There's a room dedicated to aerobics, which has ample floor space and mirrors. I noticed that the yoga mats were labeled sanitized, which is something I've never seen before. After using a mat, you place it into the dirty bin for the staff to sanitize it again. Next to the aerobics room, this is where the free weights are, and across the hall, there's a large room with cardio equipment and weight-assisted machines. Overall, the gym is well equipped, but it's unusual that it's split up into different rooms. As for the location of the Grand Hyatt, it's conveniently located near the Taipei 101 World Trade Center station on the Samsui line. It's just a 5-minute walk from the back door of the hotel. However, if you want to access the Banan line or the Blue line, you'll need to walk 10 to 12 minutes to the station. While it's not far, it can be unpleasant when it's hot and humid or rainy like it was when we were there. Adjacent to the Grand Hyatt is the iconic Taipei 101 building, which houses a shopping mall and a large food court in the basement. The food court offers a wide variety of dining options, including the famous Din Tai Fung. It's a great choice for lazy days when you don't feel like going far for a meal. Additionally, there's a covered walkway that leads directly into Taipei 101. As for how to book the Grand Hyatt, if you wanted to book a standard room at the Grand Hyatt, prices range from $200 to $350 per night. Alternatively, if you prefer to book with points, the Grand Hyatt is categorized as a Category 4 hotel. That means the points requirements can vary depending on the season: 12,000 points during off-peak times, 15,000 points during standard times, and 18,000 points during peak times. Both Chase and Bilt points can be transferred to Hyatt, providing a quick way to earn Hyatt points. If you're interested in any Chase or the Bilt card, my links are down below. Using those links helps support my channel. As for my overall thoughts about the hotel, the Grand Hyatt is the only Hyatt option in Taipei, and I believe the pricing for both points and cash is appropriate for what the hotel is like. I appreciate the hotel's convenient location on a subway line and its adjacency to Taipei 101. The hotel also offers a wide breakfast spread for guests, and I like that globalist guests have the option to go to the breakfast at the lounge or down at the restaurant. However, the hotel does feel somewhat outdated and would benefit from a renovation in the near future. When or if I return back to Taipei, I wouldn't mind staying at the Grand Hyatt again, but I'm mostly looking forward to the Park Hyatt and the Andaz, which is expected to open in 2024 across the street from Grand Hyatt. The new Park Hyatt and the Andaz options will provide Hyatt loyalists like myself with more choices and a more luxurious and updated experience compared to the current state of the Grand Hyatt. Comment below and let me know what you think about this hotel. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching this far, and I'll see you guys in the next one.